Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to check messages from non-friends on Facebook Messenger. Non-friends means those friends which are not available on your friend list. So how you can check those messages if they texted you or messaged you on your Facebook Messenger. Just follow these simple steps. Go to your Messenger account. Go to this sign, see the request option. Now these people are not added on my Facebook friend list, so they texted me and they are filtered in requests. So these are the messages from the other peoples which are not available on my friend list. You can easily check on them. Hope this will help. Thanks for watching.